Want to know how to add any items, products or services to favorites or save it? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your Cursor AI application. So once you've opened it up, you should be under this interface right here. So we have also created similar interfaces or similar videos regarding Cursor AI, so you can watch it on our channel. This is for both PC and laptop. Now, saving your product is super simple. You need to just simply search for it once. So I am on my product details right here. Now you can just simply scroll down, and here you should be seeing various products that you can choose from. So as you scroll down, you can see various products, and now in order to save them, it's super simple. So in each product on the top right side, you should be seeing this hard icon right here. This is how you can save it. So you can just simply select that, and your items should be saved. As you can see right here, it should be added to your save items. And that's it. You can do it with multiple products just like this as well. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.